everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put a zipper pocket in your coat. This is already coming undone, and instead of just sewing it back up, I'm just going to take it a little more apart. My plan is to put a pocket right here. So the first thing we're going to do is just seam rip this a bit more since it's already ripped here. I'm just gonna put a pin in where I think I would like my pocket to be. You're gonna need 2 rectangle pieces of fabric for the pocket, and on one of them you're gonna want to draw a rectangle, kind of like this one. So just pin it like on top. Don't do any cuts or anything yet. Now we're going to take it over to our sewing machine and just sew right around the rectangle, right on the line. So I actually ended up seam ripping another seam open because the buttons were sewn kind of weird that I couldn't get in there. And now I'm just sewing this rectangle onto the lining only. That's all I'm sewing it to. So this is the stage that we're at. We have this cloth and it's just sewn on there. Nothing is cut. That's what it looks like on the lining. We take it, slip down the side, and get to the end, do triangle, and then watch this. And it comes out this side. Take your zipper and pin it in place. So this is what it looks like now. This is what the bottom looks like. Sew the zipper to both of the fabrics, like go through 2 layers. To close up this seam, I did a ladder stitch, and you put the needle in, you go down. It's an invisible stitch too. I drew this diagram because I thought it was kind of hard to see what I'm doing. And then I sewed the zipper back in place, the whole reason I started this pocket project. So, oops, here's the pocket. I should have really made it a little bit wider the zipper I mean, so I can stick my hand in there, but at least it's something. I hope this video helps you with putting pockets and things, not just coats, but whatever you want, right? Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.